What's up? Welcome to Pinay Techman. So today we're gonna unbox this Momax pin lock. You can use it also for Apple Find My. So this is a lock with a tracker. So it's the same as AirTag. So there's a USB-C charger. This is the lock. So you can put your number here by pressing this and then turning it. You could put your number, and when you click this it will open up. So you charge your battery here. There's a USB-C port here, there. So this can last for 150 days. And when you want to connect, there's a button here. Just press it to connect to the Bluetooth. So it's easy. It's like a Apple AirTag, and this is a lock that you can put in your bag. So I hope you like the review of this Momax pin lock. So thank you for watching Pinay Techman.